Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired across from the DOT. Get your hands behind your back!
Copy, shots fired.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? You almost fucking killed me!
I'm sorry. I hate society.
Okay, well that's not the way to go about it, bro.
I'm sorry.
Did you get hit?
No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Tuck your knees into your chest.
I fucked up my life.
Yeah,
My life is gone.
I'm downtown.
21. I'm 13. My car's destroyed. But I'm 10-13. No injuries.
Kill me!
I don't want to kill you. I want to protect myself. Why are you acting like this?
I got threatened, and I wanted to kill them.
Just check
They
to make sure
threatened me
everybody back
first.
here is good. My aim was that way. Make sure there's everybody back
They
there is
threatened
good. I
me
don't
first. I wanted to kill them. They had to pay.
Oh, check what? Again?
just make there's people in the background there. Just make sure
got
everybody
one
back here is
custody.
okay.
My life, I had it good, and now
Yeah, well,
I'm gone. I'm sorry.
sorry. Look at me. Look at my car, man.
Get a break. Don't get a break.
I'm okay. I'm all right, man.
I won't do anything.
Sit up.
I swear.
Sit up.
Sarge, you good?
Yeah, I'm
You
fine.
get shot?
I'm fine. No.
You fine? Stand up.